It's supposed to be a fishing rod for the dried up river. Actually, that'll rage once they start getting rain here in January. This is downtown Quartzsite, basically. That's the main drag. And we're at Hassler's. $15 a night. How can you beat that? What's it say? Mechanical zoo and 10,000 horseshoes. They've made all these weird pieces of art. That's a whale. What's that one? And this is the water-powered plane. See, the water would go spin those. Yeah. Pretty cool. Older park. That 15, that's only a Passport America thing for 4 nights max, and it stops. That deal ends December 1st, so they cut it off when busy season starts here. Fenced area for your dog. Holiday Palms is across the street. We're just west of the 95 here. It's okay. Hassler's.